The Skoda Octavia has long been the smart choice for buyers who want all the practicality of an SUV without the downsides. For 2024, the Octavia Estate gets a fresh facelift inside and out, solidifying its position as one of the most sensible family haulers on the market. The updated Octavia wears Skoda's latest design language with pride. The front end receives a revised bumper, grille, and sharper headlights, while the rear gets similar treatment with reprofiled taillights and a restyled bumper. The overall look is crisper and more mature without losing the Octavia's understated charm. As before, the Estate body style provides immense cargo room with 640 liters of space behind the rear seats. Stepping inside, owners will find Skoda's usual array of clever storage solutions and amenities like umbrellas in the front doors and a built-in ice scraper. But the cabin's party piece is the massive 13-inch infotainment display that's now standard equipment. It's the largest screen in any Volkswagen Group product and features updated graphics and a revised menu structure with more shortcut buttons for easier use. The only downside is that Skoda sticks to its strategy of replacing most physical buttons with touch controls, even for things like the climate system. At least there's a slim row of haptic buttons below the display. Under the hood, not much has changed. Most buyers will opt for the 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 148 horsepower, available with or without 48-volt mild hybrid assist. A 2-liter turbo diesel makes 148 horsepower as well. Front-wheel drive is standard across the board, with Skoda's familiar 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual-clutch automatic handling shifting duties. Performance is modest, but efficiency is excellent, especially with the mild hybrid powertrain that can coast with the engine off. We're disappointed that Skoda didn't take this opportunity to add a plug-in hybrid variant, but most buyers likely won't mind. Out on the road, the Octavia Estate continues to shine with its superb ride quality and hushed cabin. The steering is light but precise, making it easy to maneuver despite the car's considerable size. There's some body roll in corners, but the Octavia never feels sloppy or out of its element. Put simply, this is a vehicle engineered first and foremost for comfort and utility rather than outright driving thrills. And in that respect, the facelifted Octavia delivers in spades while offering a more premium experience than its modest pricing might suggest. Pricing is up slightly, but the Octavia remains a tremendous value overall, especially when you consider its spacious interior, long list of amenities, and frugal yet confidence-inspiring driving manners. The sensible family car soldier marches on.